Hello guys! Привет! Welcome back to my channel! In the previous lesson, we learned Russian alphabet. Today, we are going to learn vowels and letter и краткое more deeply. Follow me up to the end of the lesson and you will know interesting words that you can make out of letters we are going to learn today. Let's begin! With each letter, I will be telling you a sound it expresses and a word. This word will be in Russian. The first letter is already here. Letter A, sound A. Арбуз, арбуз. Е, енот, енот. Ё, ёлка, ёлка. И, игла, игла. О. When this letter is unstressed, it's pronounced as A. For example, очки, очки. If it's under the stress, it's pronounced as O. Море, море. Let's take more interesting word from the point of view of letter O. Молоко. First two letters are not under the stress. That's why they are pronounced as A. But the last letter is under the stress, that's why it's pronounced as O. Молоко, молоко. У, ухо, ухо. Тыква. To pronounce this sound, just imagine that you were kicked in the stomach. Тыква. Тыква. Экскаватор, экскаватор. Ю, юла, юла. Я, яблоко. Be attentive with the sound O. Яблоко. And one consonant we are going to learn is и краткое, a sound Y. Йод. Йод. Let's review all sounds we've learned. Repeat after me. А, Е, Ё, И, О, У, И, Ю, Я, Y. Move on with words we can make out of learned letters. The first and simple word is the last letter in the alphabet, Я, which means I. Next word we can make Ее, which means her. Move on. Ау. It's used when you are looking for someone. Ау, where are you? Next word is Ой. In Russian, you can use Ой when you want to express pain, scare, surprise, joy, happiness, regret. So, as you can see, Ой in Russian can express almost all your emotions. Next, Ай. It's very simple, isn't it? Эй. When you call someone, you shout Эй. Do you remember Donkey from Winnie the Pooh? His name in Russian sounds like Я. And finally, we can make a question. А я? Which means, and what about me? Today, we've learned 10 vowels, sounds they express, sound Y, and words you can make from them. Stay with me, and in next video, I will teach you consonants, and we will combine all letters in simple words. If you want to get more Russian lessons, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Пока!